Hey guys, Cyrus here from Talk on Phones, and today we have the Camon X Pro from Tecno Mobiles. Now a lot of people don't know what company Tecno Mobile is. So it is one of the leading Chinese manufacturers, which are also the sister concerns of Infinix Mobile as well. So the device we have today with us is one of their flagship devices, and it is called the Camon Pro X. Now at first glance of the device, you can see that the device is actually quite big, because this it has a 6-inch display. Now the device itself has a lot of very good hardware, and we also want to check it out. Starting it off, the device comes in two colors. One is the midnight black and one is the bordeaux red. Now the midnight black is not a full black color, like you can see over here that it has gold accents all running all around. So the gold accents over here are on the antenna, and where of course you can see they are all over the sides of the device as well. The main attraction of the device is the 24 megapixel selfie camera at the front, and comes with flash as well, and of course the 6-inch full HD display. From the software point of view, the Camon X Pro runs on Android 8.1 on top of iOS. Before I get into more details of what other specs this device has, let's just quickly look at what other stuff we get in the box. So in the box we get your usual USB mini cable. It doesn't come with USB Type-C, but still it's fine. Of course you have your travel adapter charger over here, and your standard 3.5mm headphones as well. One other cool thing this device also has, it comes with a casing. Now this is not your usual back bumper cover, but this is a full casing, so it protects the back of the device as well as the front bumper as well. The texture is actually slightly rough, so that you get better grip of the device, considering the device itself, the back is quite smooth. So what you can find over here as well, that the device has a fingerprint scanner at the back as well, which is actually a very good thing, because you can see that is the best place, personally I think, where a fingerprint scanner should be. So at the back it houses a 16 megapixel shooter with autofocus and of course HDR. Okay, the main other specs of this device is that this device comes with a 2 GHz processor, and it has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Here you can see that the display is actually quite bright, and I was really surprised and impressed by all the colors this device itself could actually muster up. And you can see that even the brightness level has a quite wide range. I particularly chose this wallpaper because you can see all the multitude of colors and the variations. So of course you have the dark greens, you have the blue, the pink, and you have mild textures, you have darker textures, and of course you can see that even the apps pop up. Because of the 24 megapixel front facing camera, Face ID is also available on this device, and I did test it out quite a bit, and actually it's quite fast. Here of course, because more like most Chinese the developers, you get their inbuilt Chinese apps as well, like Zender for example, and of course you have Phoenix browser, so, and of course Palm Chat and all those. But of course you can choose to use them or not use them, that totally depends on you. Even here you can see that because of the big screen, which is obviously a 6-inch display, you have multi-window as well, so you can split the screens over here, and it always helps out as well. So because it's quite a big screen, so it's actually quite smooth. Just getting into the settings. So here you can see, of course, because this runs on the iOS theme. So of course the look of the settings and all the other apps is a bit different, and of course you can go in themes and you choose whatever theme you want, whatever font you want to keep, and whatever wallpaper you want to keep as well. So just getting into the specs. Okay, so 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 24 megapixel front selfie camera, 60 megapixel back camera, 2 gigahertz processor. It's octa-core, and of course it has a 3750 milliamp battery as well, which easily lasts you 1.5 day. I've tested it quite a bit now, including playing games and whatnot, and it does last me that much. Because of the 18:9 ratio of this device, like most 2018 devices, that's why it's not only a 1920 by 1080p display. It's actually a 2160 by 1080p display because of the 18:9 resolution, and of course it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. So guys, my first impression of this device is actually quite surprising, and it actually did surprise me very pleasantly as well, because normally when you consider looking at devices from different companies and different OEMs which are not mainstream, like your Samsungs and HTCs and the Huawei's, this one actually did surprise me, and I actually would like to recommend this device as well for whoever does want to purchase it, and it's easily available in Pakistan. So guys, that was the first impressions of the Canon X Pro. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos such as this, hit our subscribe button. Until next time guys, take care, bye bye.